Okay, so how do we make this start to look like this up here? Well, ultimately, what's going on here in our mockup is that we have an image or an icon from our icon font that displays as this blue check whenever the radio is selected, and then it displays as this empty circle whenever it's not selected. So the approach we're going to take is we're going to hide this radio button from view altogether and use a couple of fancy selectors in order to adjust the styles of the label that is right next to the radio that is checked or selected. By default, all of the labels will have this circle added to it, and we'll likely use the CSS before pseudo selector and set the content to maybe one of our icons that's just a circle. And then we'll just swap out that icon for this other icon when this label is selected. So now there are other approaches to doing this, but most of them use JavaScript. And I kind of feel like if we can get a solution that works in straight CSS and that has reasonable browser support, that we should use that option instead if we can. So we'll give this approach a try first.